Hey, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abenaja's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this tasty assorted meat and fish pepper soup. Let's get right into it. I've already seasoned my beef and fish with onion, garlic, ginger powder, beef seasoning, salt, black pepper, and aniseed. I'll list all of this in my description. It is going in the oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. I'll also blend onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, tomato paste, and then set it on the side. To a pot, I have my beef tripe, pre-cooked cow skin. I'll add in my chopped onion, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of beef seasoning, and then I'll add in my blended vegetables, which is the onion, garlic, ginger, and the habanero pepper. I rinsed out my blender, gave it a mix. I covered it and allowed it to steam for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. I'll give it a good stir and then I'll add in my water. You can add hot water or cold water. I'll then add in my fresh tomatoes, carrot, more habanero peppers, and onion. And then I'll add in my Aiden Fruit. I'll allow the soup to begin boiling and then I'll add in my dry catfish. My catfish is very fragile. I didn't want it to break into the soup too early, so I waited for the soup to boil before adding it. So the soup continues to boil for about 15 minutes or until the vegetables become soft. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I truly appreciate your time. God bless you all. So my vegetables is perfectly cooked. I removed it out of the soup. I'll blend and then bring it back into the soup. But before I do so, I've removed my meat and fish out of the oven. Yes, it is ready. So I'll put in my beef first and then I'll add in my smoked turkey, which I also broiled just for about 10 minutes in the oven. I'll add in my blended cooked vegetables. I'll rinse out my blender and then I'll add that into the soup. I'll add in 1 tablet. You can add in any star cube of choice. You can also omit it. And then I'll allow the soup to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now, the last thing that goes into the soup is my broiled fish. I didn't want it to scatter in the soup. I'll add in 2 habanero pepper for garnishing, and then we'll allow the soup to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the soup should be ready, guys. This soup is so simple and easy to make. Yes, it has lots of meat inside. Remember, I cook for a large family size. So if you don't like a lot of meat in your soup, please use less meat. Thank you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share after watching this video. Thank you so much for doing that. Don't forget to hit the post notification as well, so anytime I upload a video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. The soup is ready, guys, and I'm ready to enjoy this with fufu. You can enjoy this with any starch of choice. You can have this with rice, with yam, or you can enjoy this soup just as it is. Please join me and let's eat this fufu together. Until I see you on my next video, please stay blessed and stay safe. God bless you. Bye, guys.